at the shop and we came across the old former DDE Ferrari hood. We bought the Ferrari wrecked on Copart, fixed it and sold it, and we have the old hood left, and we were thinking, why not do a giveaway and let one lucky subscriber have this hood.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you, bad boys?
The goal is to reach 50,000 subscribers. After 50,000 subscribers, we'll do a random drawing, and whoever wins, we'll ship the hood out to them. If you're new to the channel, go watch the videos of the Ferrari getting rebuilt. It will look nice on somebody's wall or in a garage somewhere on the wall. So subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, tell your friends. Let's get to 50,000 subscribers so somebody can have this iconic hood. And second prize will be a Ferrari emblem. Peace out, everybody.